Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, Boone County in north-central Illinois until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Poplar Grove Lake to Cherry Valley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Milford, Poplar Grove, Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Timber Lane, Garden Prairie, Belvedere, Caledonia, Cape Horn, Lost Park, and Rockford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle. Impact, hail damage. Expect wind damage. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. Candlewood Lake, Cherry Valley, Timber Lane, Garden North Central Lookout County in north central Illinois, southeastern Lee County in north central Illinois, southwestern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, until 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near 47 miles northeast of Mendota, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roof, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paw Palm,